Whether you're a devoted pasta lover who's trying to cut back on carbs, or a vegan on a mission, or an average person who loves pasta but don't want to feel guilty every time eating a pasta dish, then chickpea pasta is absolutely the next best thing you should try out. In just 2 minutes, I'm going to convince you to swap your regular pasta to this new up-and-coming pasta invention. If for some reason I didn't manage to convince you, then please comment below why not. Here it goes. Unlike regular pasta, which is made of wheat flour, chickpea pasta is made of chickpeas and contains no flour at all. Because it contains no flour, chickpea pasta has much fewer carbs than traditional pasta. That makes it an excellent choice for weight loss and a healthy lifestyle. Chickpeas are plant-based powerhouses packed full of both fiber and protein. In fact, 3 times more fiber and protein than regular pasta. So it would be a very nutritious meal just on its own. Chickpea pasta also has higher amounts of iron and potassium, 2 essential minerals for circulation and proper body function. It is gluten-free, of course, because it contains no flour, and gluten is not good for anybody. It also has a low glycemic index, meaning that it won't make your blood sugar spike, which means that you can eat it more often without worrying about putting on extra pounds. It also tastes great. Yes, the taste can be subjective, but most people who have tried it do like it. Also, healthy foods are generally less tasty compared to their regular versions, but not in this case. It looks, feels, and tastes quite similar to traditional pasta and has an appealing bite in the texture and a slightly nutty flavor. Compared to other pasta alternatives, such as whole wheat or brown rice pasta, chickpea pasta is the closest to the normal one. Because of the great taste and all the nutritional benefits, chickpea pasta was featured in Time magazine's 25 Best Food Inventions. It comes in all typical pasta shapes: spaghetti, shells, elbows, spiral, and penne. However, it does need to be cooked a couple minutes longer than regular flour-based pasta, or if you like it al dente, then cook it the same as regular pasta. If you want step-by-step instructions on how to prepare it, and to get some easy and super delicious chickpea pasta recipes, then follow the link in the description below this video for my full article. You will also find some of my favorite chickpea pasta brands and where you can get them online. Check it out now.